Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Instapop. So if you don't know what this is another one of those games that claim that they can let you pay out. So as you can see, play games and earn real money. So they emphasize the real money here. So as you can see, this is what the game looks like. And as you can see here on Google Play, they're rated 3.6 out of 5 stars. And let's see all the reviews here. So huge fan of Instapop. Absolutely love this Instapop. This app turned out very well, but it later sucks, as with all apps like this. Ads are low paying, plus only 5 ads per day. It's a very bad day. So 1 star. Don't waste your time to use this app. There's no support way to contact for help, and a lot more. So the reviews on this app have been hit or miss. So, but please, guys, do not download this app in the hopes of making a lot of money. Many users say you can earn money, but please do not go with the hopes of like actually earning more than your job, or actually more or competing with real jobs, since a lot of people would be quitting already if that were true. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.